So it's time to check out the GoPro, the Hero 12 Creator Edition. Got it all hooked up. I got it Bluetooth paired, everything you're supposed to do to it. Thought I'd give it a little test in the garage right now. I've been messing around with a few things. Bucks game is about to come on in a few minutes, so I'm probably going to post this during that. But just had a few things to do. If you want to check it out here, hold on. Let's take a little tour. Let's take a little tour. So we first thing this morning, I had to get up on top of the camper, and there was basically a swimming pool on top of it. So what I had to do is get some boxes up there, climb on top of it, push all the water off. In that time, also broke my push broom in half. That figures. Got over here, got Helga parked where she's supposed to be, next to all the trailers and everything. Got the other two cars where they're supposed to be, and then just working on the garage and trying to hook this up. This is my battery tray. I got a new one. This little bugger's pretty cool. I'm supposed to carry dual Optimas. Those are way over there. But made some brackets and messing around with that. Tools and whatnot, junk, keys, TV. Like I said, Bucks game's going to be on here in a couple minutes. We'll flip this around, see if this works. But haven't figured out really how to make it so the little screen's on the whole time, so I don't really know if I'm even talking to the camera. But it's been fun playing with all this new technology. Like I said, once I get the settings on the GoPro set up where I can always see what I'm filming, that's probably going to be a good thing. We'll get everything together, and this will probably be the primary camera for at the track. And as I said, I was messing around with the A6400 last night. A lot of people have now seen the little video. I'm working through details, but this first kind of inaugural little thing with the Hero GoPro 12 Creator Edition. I don't know if I'm a creator, but at least I'm having some fun with it. So just stay tuned, as I said, as I work through this. Maybe you can say, hey, the quality sucks. This is how you're supposed to set it up. There's about 6,225,823 videos on YouTube how to set this up with presets and whatnot, and I'll probably be doing that exact same thing as going in and setting up presets on the GoPro to have it for whether I'm in the garage, I'm at the track, I'm messing around the house, whatever. But hey man, we'll go from here and move forward, and all I could say lastly is go Bucks.